In today's video, let's talk about how to create a smart playlist inside of Tidal. If you're used to creating smart playlists and want to create one for yourselves inside of Tidal, in today's video, let's talk about it. Now, Tidal does not offer a built-in smart playlist feature that automatically updates based on specific criteria that are usually found on platforms such as Apple Music. Instead, Tidal focuses more on curated experiences, including both manual as well as automatically generated mixes. So the way that you can generate your playlist will be mostly based on your listening habits. So if you head over to the homepage inside of Tidal, you can see a few sections such as recommended new tracks or daily discovery, or as well as personal radio stations. These songs or albums are all generated based upon your listening activity. So although you cannot create a smart playlist inside of Tidal, Tidal does automatically, based upon your listening habits, create all of these playlists that you can go through and will most likely be the songs that you are interested in. So you can just scroll through the homepage. Also, you can head over to the mixes and radio, where there as well, you're going to see songs that you are interested in. So using these few sections, you'll be able to listen to your favorite songs inside of a particular playlist and inside of Tidal. That's basically it for today's video. If this guide video was helpful, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up.